Hi friends, welcome to the channel Unshackling Sudokus and Puzzles. Ashish here, and today I'll be covering a classic Sudoku on our channel. Now this Sudoku has been constructed by Kinlux, and we have had many Sudokus in the past by this author, and usually Sudokus by this author are really excellent, and they used to be just one stepper logic kind of thing, or something that really authors intended logic would have to be used in it, right? So the same thing goes with this Sudoku, I hope, and let's see if you are able to solve this Sudoku or not, right? So before going to the Sudoku, I would highly recommend you to please subscribe to the channel Unshackling Sudokus and Puzzles if you haven't done so. It will really motivate us to cover videos on daily basis. And if at all you have a request for any Sudoku variant or a puzzle genre, do let us know in the comment below and we'll surely make a video on it. And coming back to this Sudoku now, so let's see if we are able to solve this Sudoku. You'll have a 3 in one of these two cells. Okay. 4 in one of these two cells. It start with 1, nothing with 1. You get something with the 2 here. 2 here. Two would have to be here. No. Okay, let's see the 3's. 3 here. There has to some, as you can see, 2 and 2, sorry, 2 here, 3 here. There has to be something with the symmetry, the patterns, the givens, the way they are placed. Let's see, let's go with the 4 for now. 4 in one of these two cells. 5 in one of these two cells. 6. Sorry, 6 in one of these two cells. 6 in one of these two cells. Nothing here. 7 doesn't 7 in one of these two cells, that gives you 7 in one of these three cells, right? 7 cannot be. Okay. 8, let's see the 8 in one of these two cells. 8 here. 9 in one of these two cells. 9 in one of these two cells. This cell isn't used, right? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 1, 2, 3. This would have to be 1, 2 and 3. Okay. I thought I have some hidden single here, but we still have 1 and 2 and 3. 3 possibilities here. Okay. 9 is subjected into one of these two. Okay, 9 in one of these three cells. Come on, guys. So should I mark all the candidates in every cell? That will be very tedious process, guys. Come on. I don't want to do that, but what if that opens up the puzzle? We might miss something here and there. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 7. 4, 7, 8, 9. 4, 5, 9. 6, 8, 9. Okay. This seems to be 8 9. 1 2 3 8 9. 9 cannot come here, 8 cannot come here. Okay, 1 2 3 and 9. 3 cannot be here. One, two, three, 5. 2 cannot be here. Okay. 1, 5 cannot be here. 4 cannot be here. Okay. Come on, guys. There should be something that we are missing here. 1 2 3 7 9 4 5 6 8. 4 5 6. 1 2 3 5 6 4 7 8 9. 4 7 and 9. I suspect with the patterns I see something kind of, I have seen this kind of logic somewhere, but I see a 3 here, 3 here, a 2 here and a 2 here. Nine, 8, 7 is there. 1 and 3, 1 3 7. 7 5 1 2 1 2 5 7. 5 7. Oh, come on, guys. Come on, come on, come on. 3 2 1. All of these gets eliminated from here. One, two, three, all of these gets eliminated from here. There has to be something with this, guys. Kind of, they are logged. One of the 1 2 3 is already here. This is one of the important cells, I think, because this column and this row needs to have 1 2 3, right? It cannot be in any of these two cells. For this column you need to have 1 2 3 in these 4 cells. For this row you need to have 1 2 3 in these 4 cells, right? Excuse me. Wow, guys, what an excellent logic this is. So 1 2 3 would have to be in these 4 cells, right? And both 1 2 3 cannot be in these two cells, because then this row cannot have 1 2 3. So for example, if I remove 8 and 9 from here, sorry, If I remove 8 and 9 from here, you have 1 2 3 triplet here, and now this row doesn't have enough space for 1 2 3. All of these yellow gets eliminated and you have only 2 cells remaining. Wow. So which means that one of the 1 2 3 is here, second 1 2 3 would have to be in one of these 2 cells, third 1 2 3 would have to be in one of these 2 cells, and which means that these cells will have to be 1 2 3 candidates only. That is awesome. Wait, just I'll have to again look at it. You cannot have 1 2 3 here, 1 2 3 here. For this column, 1 2 3 would have to be in one of these 4 cells. For this row, 1 2 3 would have to be in one of these 4 cells. You already have 1 2 3 candidate here. So which means that, let us assume you don't have 5 and 4 here. So you have 1 2 3 pair triplet here. So which means in this row, I mean to say in this column, 1 2 3 gets eliminated from here, and there is no place for 1 2 3 here. You have 8 9 and you have 8 9 whole. Okay, what an excellent piece of logic this is. So which means that you cannot have a 9 here, you cannot have a 9 here. This would have to be 1 2 3. You cannot have a 5 here in these cells. This would have to be 1 2 3. Okay, so this is 5, this is 4, sorry. So one of the 1 2 3 is in these 2 cells, one of the 1 2 3 is in these 2 cells, and this is 1 2 3. So all the possibilities of 1 2 3 gets eliminated from all the other cells. So 1 2 3 4, 5 and 8 would have to be here, 4 and 9 would have to be here. Okay, so is that helping us? That was excellent piece of logic. Okay, so 9 in this box now can only be in this cell. That eliminates 9 from this cell. Same way, can you have anything here? No. You can have 7 and 3 also in these 2 cells. Okay, so 9 got eliminated from this cell. You have a 4 5 pair. Wow, what a one stepper logic this is, guys. You have a 4 5 pair that gives you a 7 here, and that gives you 6 here. That eliminates 6 from this cell, 4 from this cell, 7 from this cell. You have 8 9 pair. So this 7 eliminates 7 from this cell. You get a 7 here. Okay, come on guys, come on. That was awesome piece of logic. Awesome. 4 8 7 9 5 6. Okay, so 6, now this 6 is eliminated from this cell. 6 would have to be in this cell only. Okay, and 9 gives you in this. Now you get 9 in this cell. What an excellent logic that was, guys. Excellent. The way this has been implemented in this Sudoku, I wouldn't say it could have been better. I would never say that, because this is the best way that Sudoku could be implemented. Idea could be implemented. You get an 8 here or 4 here because of the 9 here. 4 and 8 gets eliminated from this cell. Oh, sorry. 4 and 8, 8 gets eliminated. You get 5 6 pair. So you get a 4 7 and 9, 7 and 9 pair here. One, 2 and 8. So 8 would have to be here. These 2 cells becomes 1 2 now. So 3 4 and 5. So this is 3 5, 3 4 and 5. Okay, 1 4 and 5, right? 1, 2, 7 and 8. No. Four, 1, 2, 3. No, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 3, 7 and 9, right? 7, 9. This would have to be 1. Oh, there is no other cell possible here. You can't have 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. You need to have 1 here. So 3, 7 and 9. 9, 3 and 7. 3, 7 and 9. That one eliminates 1 from this cell. You get a 2, 5 here. Three would have to be in one of these two cells. Five would have to be in one of these two cells. So 5 gets eliminated from here. So 3 would have to be in one of these two cells. Okay. Come on. Two, 5, 8 and 4. 4, 5. This is 2, 8. 8, 2, 4, 5. 4, 2, 8 and 5. 2, 5 and 8. Okay. Oh, you get a 4 here. 4 cannot be here. 4 cannot be here. 4 cannot be here. This cell would have to be 4. That gives you 5 here, 1 here and a 4 here. That 5 gives you a 4 here. Eliminates 4 from this cell. So one of the 1, 2, 3s is here. 5 would have to be here. Okay. That gives you a 4 here. That gives you a 3. Oh, and a 5 here. That 5 gives you an 8 here. Wow, that is getting done, guys. So that eliminates 8 from this cell. Now 9 would have to be in this cell. That gives you an 8 here. This 3 eliminates 3 from this cell. One, 2, 3, 7, right? 2 would have to be here. So 1, 3 and 7. 1 and 3 is here. So this would have to be 7. That gives you a 3 here, a 9 here, a 1 here, a 2 here, a 3 here. Wow, guys. Wow. Excellent piece of logic. 2, 1, 3, 2, 1 and 3. So 5 and 2. That gives you 8 and 5. That gives you 6 and 5. What an excellent piece of logic. This Sudoku couldn't have been better, guys. How the way it has been done is excellent. 4, 4, 7, 8 and 9, right? So this is 9, 7 and 8. So this is 9 and 7. That is 7 and 8. That gives you a 7 here. 1 and 3, right? So 3 and 1. That gives you a 1 here. 2, 3 and 5. This is 2. This is 5 and 3. What an excellent Sudoku this was. The way this has been implemented, the idea had been implemented, awesome. So I have seen such kind of logics before, but not towards this perfectness actually. I wouldn't say that this could have been better. The way this has been implemented, the perfect idea, the perfect patterns and givens. I couldn't place even a single digit, right? If I remember right, I didn't place even a single digit, and with the help of that logic, this Sudoku fall so quickly, so easily. Wow, Thanks a lot to the Kinlux for such an excellent piece of grid, such an excellent design, and I hope you really enjoyed this Sudoku. Do like and comment if you want us to solve any other Sudoku variant or a puzzle genre, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.